Concrete house on a sloping site, stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and surrounding mountains. Introduction: a modern concrete marvel with ocean and mountain views. Welcome back to Decor Essence, your go-to channel for home decoration inspiration. If you love exploring stunning, innovative homes and gaining fresh design ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions below. Today, we're diving into a truly unique home, an architectural masterpiece built on a sloping site, with panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean and the surrounding mountains. This concrete house doesn't just sit on the landscape, it stretches with it, blending seamlessly into the natural surroundings while offering a modern, minimalist living experience. So, let's explore how this home combines functionality with breathtaking beauty in every corner. Design concept: embracing the sloping terrain. The foundation of this concrete house was carefully designed to take full advantage of the sloping site it occupies. Unlike traditional flat plots, a sloping site offers both opportunities and challenges in architecture. The design of this home leverages the natural contours of the land to create a building that flows with the landscape rather than against it. The house is divided into multiple levels, each following the gradual incline, and this tiered approach allows for various levels of living space, each offering its own unique perspective of the surrounding views. The architectural The concrete structure, a bold yet harmonious approach. Concrete is a material often associated with industrial design, but in this home, it serves as the perfect backdrop to both the natural and architectural elements. The concrete walls create a solid, grounded feeling, providing a stark yet complementary contrast to the soft, flowing landscape around it. The exterior of the house is clean and unadorned, with raw concrete surfaces that have been smoothed and finished to enhance their natural texture. These concrete facades are not only visually striking but also functional. Maximizing ocean views, a design focused on nature's beauty. One of the most striking features of this home is its ability to maximize the incredible views of the Pacific Ocean. The home's large, floor-to-ceiling windows and expansive glass walls have been strategically placed to provide uninterrupted views of the ocean, transforming each room into a natural observation deck. The design creates a sense of openness, where the boundary between the interior and exterior spaces is blurred. The living areas are particularly designed to take advantage of the view, with large sliding doors that lead out onto spacious terraces. Blending with the mountains, a harmonious integration with nature. Equally important as the ocean view is the surrounding mountain landscape, which plays a significant role in the home's design. The home is strategically positioned to take full advantage of the surrounding hills, offering sweeping vistas of the rugged terrain. The architecture uses natural materials and design elements to ensure that the house doesn't stand in stark contrast to its environment but instead blends into it. The raw concrete of the building is complemented by warm wooden accents, which add a touch of earthiness to the otherwise industrial materials. The innovative multi-level design, maximizing functionality and viewpoints. The sloping site offers a unique opportunity to experiment with multi-level design, which the architects took full advantage of in this concrete house. Rather than a single, flat structure, the house is divided into several levels that step down the slope, creating a dynamic flow of spaces that maximize the views at each stage. The upper levels are dedicated to shared spaces, such as the living room, kitchen, and dining areas, all oriented toward the Pacific Ocean, ensuring that the main gathering spots enjoy the most spectacular Indoor-outdoor flow, seamlessly connecting living spaces. One of the standout features of this home is its strong connection between the indoor and outdoor living spaces. In keeping with the modern and minimalist aesthetic, the interiors are designed to feel expansive and open, with large, sliding glass doors and folding panels that open directly onto terraces, patios, and balconies. The outdoor spaces themselves are just as carefully curated, with areas for both relaxation and entertainment. Whether it's a shaded dining area overlooking the ocean or a spacious lounge space that invites you to take in the mountain views, these outdoor rooms feel like a Sustainability and smart technology, a future-ready home. Sustainability is a key feature of this concrete house. The design incorporates energy-efficient technologies and sustainable building practices to ensure the home has minimal environmental impact while still providing maximum comfort. The use of concrete as a primary building material is part of a strategy to minimize the home's carbon footprint. Concrete is not only durable but also requires less maintenance over time, reducing the need for constant repairs or replacements. The house is equipped with smart minimalist interior design, simple, functional, and elegant. Inside, the design continues with a minimalist approach that allows the natural surroundings to take center stage. The interiors feature a neutral color palette with a combination of concrete, wood, and glass, creating a serene, calming atmosphere. Furnishings are kept simple, with clean lines and functional layouts that prioritize comfort and style over decoration. The open-plan layout ensures that light floods the interiors, highlighting the architectural features and creating a sense of openness. Conclusion: a dream home combining design, nature, and functionality. This concrete house on a sloping site is a perfect example of how architecture can harmonize with the surrounding environment while offering modern comforts and luxury. From its breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and surrounding mountains to its innovative, sustainable design, this home is a testament to the potential of modern architecture. Whether it's the way the house embraces the sloping terrain, the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, or the minimalist interiors that allow the views to shine, every aspect of this home has been thoughtfully crafted to provide an extraordinary living experience.